Yes, back once again, with no hair. Don't have time to go to the barbers anymore. Summertime's coming, starting to get warm and sunny outside, and I don't care for hair. So training and business is all I've got in my mind. Training wise, it's been really good recently. I'm starting to get really lean. I'm losing a lot of weight as well, which is good. My body's kind of got to the stage where I'm in a big fat burning zone where it's just my metabolic rate is staying consistent and it's high, so body fat's coming off real easy, which is nice. I've actually cut down on a couple of cardio sessions in the morning. For instance, I've not did cardio the last 2 mornings, which beforehand I couldn't have got away with, but now that I'm this low in body fat and also that my body's used to the kind of snowball effect of all the cardio and the diet, and it's started to get in a different kind of zone. So I'm burning fat a lot more easy, a lot easier than I was before anyway. It's still a case of keeping on top of everything, making sure that the weight is at a certain bit every time. Every couple of days I'll have a weigh-in and I should be a couple of 100 grams lighter, and I know that I'm on point then. One thing as well that I've added in is 1 banana to the morning meal with the porridge, which is a godsend when you've been dieting for this long and it's really getting to you. Adding in a banana is like, I don't know, adding in a massive bar of chocolate or whatever your vice is, ice cream, whatever. To me, that's what adding the banana in is like, so it's fantastic with that. The protein shake is another thing that I look forward to throughout the day, and the fact that I'm adding so much cowboy burger seasoning to the fish at night, that's the thing that's getting me through the bland foods, so to speak. So that's things that have really been helping me, and obviously the flavoured water's really been helping me as well. But I've cut the cardio, I've changed the cardio anyway. I was doing originally one big session which took about an hour and 10 minutes after my workout, and now I was doing that 3 times a week, and now I've cut it to roughly 35 minutes 6 times a week. So I'm in and out of the gym quicker. I feel as if it's pushing on my metabolism every single day. I've got more of a total daily energy expenditure for that day, because I'm not having a day where I'm not doing cardio, but I'm just not having a day where I'm doing cardio to the excess and going too far out with it. So that served me well until now. I'm still training FST7. You guys might have seen the FST7 legs video that I put up there. Still the same principles, still doing the extreme stretching, and still training effectively 6 times a week. On the 7th is just a little bit of work, lower back work and some stretching, or some prehab, so to speak. Not to be mistaken with rehab. Prehab you'd be doing to prevent injuries, rehab you'd be doing after you've got a bad injury, which would suck. So prehab is what I carry out, and it's what I would implement in any kind of training system. So that's where I am as far as fat loss goes. I'm more affected by the fat burners now, i.e. the caffeine and the green tea, because I have less body weight on me overall. The caffeine's affecting me more, so I'm more focused, I'm more energetic through it. Whereas if I had another 2-3 stones of extra weight on me, I wouldn't be as affected by the caffeine. It's the same with anything. The bigger you are, the more of a tolerance your body builds up. So I'm starting to get less tolerant in a sense to the caffeine, whereas you would think with taking more it would be opposite way around, but not when you're cutting down. When you're cutting down, you start to notice little changes a lot easier than you would when you're carrying about your normal weight. So I have a weigh-in, I have a body fat measurement to do on Wednesday, and ideally I'm supposed to be around 8%, 8.5%. I think I'm there. I think I'm there or thereabouts, or even lower, but I don't want to jinx it and say I'm lower and then I'll show up for the body fat reading and I'll be higher. So I think I'm there. I'm going to do training tonight. I'm going to do chest FST7, tomorrow legs FST7, Monday shoulders FST7, Tuesday back FST7, and Wednesday arms FST7. And there'll be cardio did every day until then. Bar legs, obviously. I'll keep my diet tight until then, and I'll continue dropping weight until then. And I will take some progress pictures tomorrow, fire them up. I think there's a big difference. I'm starting to see some crazy cuts. And hey, it's sunny outside. That's making me happy, and that's actually getting me through some of this diet. So until then, I will see you soon.